Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333. We're here at 319 43rd Street in Brooklyn, and this is the inspector summary video. This is a pass-fail video. This is a pre-load test evaluation. This structure must be structurally sound and painted. This is pre-existing non-conforming, and you need an EPA renovator's license to work on this because it's pre-1978 and there's lead paint in it. Okay, let's begin with our cage. Alright, so we're on the top platform. The platform consists of, your railing is 2-inch by 3/8 inch, your top rail. Then the bottom rail is 2-inch by 1/4 inch. We'll make that 1.5 inch by 1/4 inch. And then you have balustrades. They are 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square in general, and then sometimes you get these little squiggly things in it, a little ornament in the middle, and then you have a bracket. The bracket, let's see if you can see through the slats. You can see it with a little curlicue in the middle. That bracket goes directly into the building. It's then bent and bolted. And then you have a 3/4 inch hypotenuse and 3/4 inch piece that goes against the wall for additional support. You have 2 brackets at each platform, and then a little tiny bracket in the middle. You got a 1 foot wide walkway here. This is approximately 10 feet. And then you have a, let's see, 3/4 round solid railing that's here. And then you have your treads. Your treads, in general, your treads are 3 slats, riveted connection to the clip, and then the clip is bolted to the stringer. The stringer is 4-inch by 3/4. And in general, you have extreme rust and rust jacking. There have been a few treads you'll see as I descend down that have been replaced with a pre-manufactured tread. But in general, it's the old tread. There's extensive rust and rust jacking. Some of the rivets are popping. And in general, you have a really extreme rust jacking on this. Okay, I'm going to turn around and we're going to start our descent here. Okay. Down very gingerly. And this is just the connection of the rail of, the stringer to the bracket. You can see it here, you can see it here, and then this is the bracket itself. You can see how it goes into the wall. That continues back, this piece, and then you have the other part that I described before. Okay, and that's a riveted connection right there. So, as I said, we're going to come down real slow. And you can see that some of the paint goes over the top of the rust and rust jacket. But you see here, So this is all going to be the same. I'll give you some shots of the treads from underneath. But again, there's extreme rust and rust jacking. This, for instance, here, look at this. Rivets popped. Okay. Just come in. Oh, some of these connections here, like, let me get a good shot here. It's not showing up too well. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. There you go. See that? Unfortunately, the sun's directly in the way here. Let me see if I can get up here. That will probably focus in for me. There you go. You can see the extreme rust and rust jacking there. And that's typical. And then just one note. On the right, this is typical on this. On the right hand side, you have a flat that used to have ornament in it, and some of it's been chopped out. But that flat serves as a railing going down, and then you have the other type of railing on the other side. So you do have railings on both sides, but one is a flat ornamental connection with a flat holding it to the stringer, and the other side is 3/4 solid railing. Okay. And there are 13 treads per run here. All right, let me turn around. You can see this connection here, rust and rust jacking throughout the system. These treads all are going to need probably replacement. Okay. Here. Okay, let me get a shot. This is completely ready to fall off, whatever that was holding. I think that might hold, that's partially the support for that ladder, and it's completely rusted through. You can see how this ladder works. It shoots down to the sidewalk. You got to lift it and then release it. We'll see if we can, if that's frozen or not when we get down there. So, shot here. See the connections. Let me slowly come down here. Okay, so, and this is more of the same. Let me give you a few shots right here. Here you can see all the rivet heads are gone. Rust, extreme rust and rust jacking. It's just a matter of time before these treads fail. Look at this, even on the new one, completely rusted through. Okay. pots up. There's some flower pots here. Really don't belong here. Okay, let me look at this ladder now. Okay, I'm gonna shut the video down and see if this ladder works. And then we'll continue the video from the ground. Let me just give you a shot of the ladder and the connections. You can see here, and that holds it there. Okay, fire escape engineers. Okay, now we're continuing the inspection at 319 43rd Street. And this ladder, in fact, does release. So at least, and it's light because it's short. So this is a little different than some of the others that the ladders are so heavy. This is a short run. Just let me focus in on some more rust and rust jacking. There we go here. Get a decent idea what's going on. Okay, this is fire escape engineers.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.